Authority has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties/areas. Tioga, at 6:19 p.m. on August 27th, 2020, effective until 7:19 p.m. Message from NWSCAP. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for Tioga County. At 6:18 p.m. severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Keeneyville to near Oldville State Park, moving east at 60 mph. Hazard 0.60 mph wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expect damage to trees, roofs, and siding. These severe storms will be near Keeneyville and Elkland around 6:20 p.m. Mansfield around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Knoxville, Osceola, Tioga Junction, Roseville, and Mansfield University. Hail 75 and wind 60 mph. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
We need more seats.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for South Central Lee County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Phillips County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Coahoma County in northwestern Mississippi until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado that was located near Elaine, moving north at 30 miles an hour. Hazard tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marvell, Elaine, Rondo, Watkins Corner, Lakeview, Popular Grove, Wabash, Modoc, Oneida, Hoop Spur, Barton, Kendall, Turkey Scratch, Vineyard, Kingtown, Gobel, Spring Creek, Trenton, Ewall, and Seapert. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
A civil authority has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties/areas. Cameron, Clearfield, Clinton, at 6:09 p.m. on August 27th, 2020, effective until 7:39 p.m. Message from NWSCAP. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Clearfield County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Cameron County in north-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Clinton County in north-central Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:09 p.m. severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from Oldville State Park to near Medics Run, moving southeast at 55 mph. Hazard 0.60 mph wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expect damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Keating, Penfield, Renovo, Garth House, South Renovo, Westport, Heiner, Parker Dam State Park, Lecontes Mills, Tamarack, Kettle Creek State Park, Grass Flat, Kylertown, and Treasure Lake. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the DuBois and Snowshoe exits, specifically near mile marker 98 and from mile markers 129 to 137. Hail 75 and wind 60 mph. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A civil authority has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the following counties/areas: Adams, Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Bedford, Blair, Butler, Cambria, Center, Clearfield, Cumberland, Dauphin, Fayette, Franklin, Fulton, Huntingdon, Indiana, Jefferson, Uniata, Mifflin, Montour, Northumberland, Perry. A civil authority has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the following counties/areas: Cameron, Clinton, Elk, Lycoming, McKean, Potter, Sullivan, Tioga, Warren, at 5:32 p.m. on August 27, 2020, effective until 8:02 p.m. Message from NWSCAP. Severe thunderstorm watch 456 remains valid until 8 p.m. this evening for the following areas in Pennsylvania. This watch includes 9 counties in central Pennsylvania: Cameron, Clinton, Elk, Lycoming, McKean, Potter, Sullivan, Tioga, Warren. This includes the cities of Bradford, Coudersport, Emporium, LaPorte, Lockhaven, Mansfield, Renovo, Ridgeway, St. Mary's, Warren, Wellsboro, and Williamsport.